So we're gonna take the Fury out, see the difference between the Fury and the horse, right? See which one's got, the differences, you know what I mean? So we're gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it up there. I'm gonna come back. We're gonna take a look at it and see what I think. It already feels hella different. So let's see how it rides. Oh, that's so different from my bike. It's so different.
Told you.
I see. Okay, so to me, there's a lot of things to like about this bike. There's a lot of things to like about this bike. I see what you mean by the throttle response. It's not as touchy. I feel like, to my bike, I feel like it's lazy. I feel like it's like a lazier throttle. You know
Mine moves as I want it to.
Yeah.
Yours moves whether you want it to or not.
Like I have to give it to have it pull me. Actually, there's no pull on this bike at all. It's just like a fluid. It's like a fluid go motion. Like my bike has pull. Like it pulls me. But for this bike, it's not like that at all. I do notice like the body positioning of the bike. Like I'm not confident in like turns.
Yeah, that's how it is with that long rake.
You know what I mean? Like I'm leaning a little bit. And I'm like, well, I don't know how far I can lean with this thing.
Yeah.
So it's better to just take it slow and kind of turn the handlebars a little bit, you know? So yeah, I'm not used to that, but it was like, it's like a luxury ride, honestly. I don't know if it's because of everything you did to the bike and all. I do agree that the Kawasaki pedals on here made it better. I don't know if I could ride it with pegs. So
the pegs felt like they were in the middle of my foot.
Yeah.
And it just didn't feel good. So I like the mini boards and the way they're angled, that my foot don't slide off.
Right. No, I feel like the boards are perfect. I feel like they're nice and comfortable. They feel nice and comfortable and everything. I do feel like I'm too short for this bike. If I'm honest.
Hey, you gotta reach, don't you?
I gotta my legs. I gotta reach, bro. I gotta be to shift it or whatever. But dude, once it's going, it's going. This is liquid cool, right?
Yes.
Yeah, that's definitely a huge difference in the liquid cool versus the air cooled, man. Because this bike's cool as a fan right now. Normally, I ride the horse. I feel the heat off it, but this thing's like I didn't even take it anywhere. I like it. I do like the modified handlebars that you did.
Oh, the riser, Canella risers.
Yeah. That's great.
It pulls them back to you.
Yeah, that's great. I feel real comfortable about where it's sitting, like with my arms and stuff. You know what I mean? I don't feel like my arms are reaching. I feel like my legs are reaching.
Right.
Short. But other than that, dude, this bike was awesome. I enjoyed it. And, Bloopers. No, but and the pipes, dude. Oh man.
I heard you spitting down the road.
Did you?
Yeah.
Yeah, dude. The pipes are amazing on this thing. Those Cobra, right?
Yeah.
Cobra slip-ons. Man, that's great.
Those slip-ons.
So, it's great. So, hey, thanks for letting me ride it, man. So, yeah, I like it. I like it. I think as a first-time cruiser, which it is for you, I think you have to be a certain height limit, or you're gonna have to adjust where the pegs are. You know what I mean? I don't know if they come in mid controls or anything. I think I could ride this with mid controls. I don't think I can ride it as effectively with forward controls. But other than that, dude, it's comfortable. It's like riding on a pillow, bro.
Yeah, it is.
Like riding on a pillow. So, all right, guys. Well, that's the video. We just wanted to kind of trade bikes and give our different opinions and give it a try and see what it was like. And hopefully you guys like the content. I got more bikes that I can swap and ride and do a video for you guys, let you guys know the comparison. So thank you guys for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Peace.